Hey everybody, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're a returner, thank you so much for joining me again. I really appreciate y'all support. Ooh, I almost didn't even get that word out. I really appreciate y'all support. Anyways, as y'all could probably tell, I'm going for a hair video today because baby, I'm looking beat down, battered up. But first, let's get into this face. I'm proud of this look. I think it's so cute. I want it to be different with some color. Hello. It's the lashes for me. Another thing, let's talk about this shirt. Hello, what it say? Black Lives Matter all day, every day. If you don't like that, you ain't gotta support this page, period. Because we all about the black people. Okay? Next, hey nails. Now, I'm not gonna get too close because, you know, this is my first time trying polygel and it ain't that great up close, but from afar, it's cute as fuck. Now, with all of that being said, you already know the drill. Let's get right into the video. Y'all, I don't know how I forgot to say this, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all of the above, okay? We growing out here. We're growing. All right, let's do the hair. The look I'm going for today is 2 buns. Well, I got one thing. 2 buns, that's what I'm going for, like 2 little space buns like this. I think that would be cute. I'm starting on an old braid out, so my hair is kind of like greasy. No, I'm not gonna say greasy because I'm clean. Don't play me. It's clean over here. But yeah, just on an old braid out, just so I can have like some texture in my buns. So we're gonna do a middle part. I'm using some water just to loosen up my hair a little bit, make it a little bit easier for me to get the comb through. If my comb break, I swear to God, I would be so pissed. I really swear. I will have a breakdown on the screen. And I don't think anybody wants that. Now that my hair is parted how I want to, I'm gonna just clip this section out the way. And we're gonna work with this half first. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm out of breath. I just ran up the steps trying to see if my part was looking all right. So, let me get some water. I'm so out of shape. Like, why am I tired from going up the steps? Okay. That was so, I'm embarrassed, man. I embarrass myself every day. Hey, you only live once. Sorry that I keep going out of frame. My stuff is just like sitting here randomly. So I'm like searching for what I gotta use. I'm going in with some As I Am double buttercream. Just to moisturize my hair a little bit because I have not touched it other than throwing it up in that dumb looking bun that I had. I am not combing out my hair because I want to keep this texture. Like, I want y'all to be able to see my curls through my bun. So I'm not combing it out. Pray for me when it's time for me to wash my hair. That's gonna be the problem. But today, it don't really matter. To me. Now I'm gonna take my green Eco Styler and I'm gonna apply it to my edges and to my kitchen. You know, so I look a little slayed. Do people even still say slayed? I feel like that word got played out. So my hair can be laid, that's the word. And I'm just putting this all the way around. Okay, folks, so we now have 2 ponytails. Of course, if you like this style, you can go ahead out just like this, with or without edges. It's however you feel it. But I want to do 2 buns, so I'm gonna twist it. I'm trying to figure out like where on my head I want them to sit. I feel like I look like Minnie Mouse. Honestly, I'm just gonna play around with these buns, y'all. If you already know how you like for your 2 buns to sit, you're lucky. Okay, because it's probably much easier for y'all. But y'all know me, I figure it out as I go. I be winging most things in life. Ooh, how am I supposed to like duplicate this bun? I'm not really too sure. Oh my gosh, y'all, let me tell y'all about my polygel nail experience, okay? So I told y'all how this is like my first time doing it. Technically, it's my first successful time doing it, but my second time in life doing it. So y'all, the first time I tried it was a few days ago. Okay? And I did the same exact color, the same color gel. And it took a little while, but I felt like it wasn't too difficult. I think the hard part is trying to figure out like how much gel to put in the forms. So I finished my hand, both my hands actually. And I'm like, oh my gosh, these kind of cute. Da, 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 da. You know, they look a little thin for real, but I thought that was you know, normal considering it was gel. Mind y'all, I didn't look at no YouTube video. Am I lopsided? Mind y'all, I didn't look at any YouTube videos. Probably should have. For reference, so Again, I am dropping everything. Hold on. I'm back. Okay, so just like I already said, I usually wing everything. I just be trying to go with it. So yeah, my nails are done and I'm walking around the house like, Mom, look, I got nails, period. Girl, I went to go scratch my scalp. Why my nail broke off in my hair? Talk about feelings hurt. Y'all, my nail was literally in my scalp. Pissed. I'm like, I spent all that time. It took me like 2 hours. Not even gonna lie to y'all. It took me like 2 hours. How am I gonna fix this? It took me like 2 hours to completely do it. Nail broke off. I was like, you know what? It's okay. I just fixed that one nail tomorrow. Well, the next day. Y'all, about only 2 more minutes go by. I was doing something. Another nail break. So now I'm from 10 nails to 8 nails. Just like that. In less than 5 minutes. Then, another nail broke. I'm like, this is that bull. That bull. So now I'm down to 7. Was my math right? Don't check me. And then I went upstairs, broke another one. Just like that. So I'm left with 6 nails. 6. So I'm like, okay, you know what? It's not that bad. I only got 4 nails I gotta fix in the morning. Baby, I go to bed, I wake up with only 2 nails left on. It was a wrap. How I go to sleep with 6 and wake up with 2 nails? Child. Played. The next day, I woke up super early and I was like, F this, let me just go ahead and fix all my nails because I don't even want to look at them. I got 2 nails, what? So I redid them again. This time they're thick. That's why I'm not gonna get too close, but they're thick underneath. But baby, they ain't gonna break off. I bet you they won't. Period. That's all that matters at this point. I don't even care. As long as my things don't break off my hands, like that first set did me, it don't matter. Oh. I think this is pretty even. I lied, y'all. It's not even enough for me, so I'm about to speed this thing up and let y'all see me try to figure this here out. All right, now that I have semi-symmetrical buns, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. You already know what's going on, the water. Y'all got company in this girl over here laughing in the background. She over here laughing in the background. That's why I can't be doing that. Anyways, okay, let me shut my ass up. All right, y'all, this is the final look. Got the buns finished. Yes, ma'am. What's it giving? It's giving very Minnie Mouse, very Space Jam, very all that. If you ain't know, now you know. If you want to do a bun, you can. you got that, period. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all check out all my other videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Tell your mama, auntie, friend, cousin, all of them, brothers, I don't care, them people. Tell them come to my page, check me out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.